Hello, I am Akash from IBM MaaS360 team, and today I will be guiding you through the process of enrolling Zebra device to MaaS360 using StageNow tool. To begin with, open the StageNow workstation. Click on Administrator Login and enter the password. Click on Create New Profile. Here, we need to select the device MX version. My device MX version is 13.1, so I am selecting that. Click on Expert Mode and click on Create. Here we need to provide the profile name. I am providing Zebra Enrollment. Click on Start. In this, we have to select various settings. So first we have to select Wi-Fi, then File Manager. After that, App Manager, and at last, Intent. Maintain the same order and click on Add. In the Wi-Fi configuration section, enable the Wi-Fi. Then we have to select Turn on Wi-Fi automatically and mark this enable as well. Here I am selecting add as a new network. Here we need to provide the Wi-Fi configuration detail like Wi-Fi SSID and security types. Enter all the required details. Enter the Wi-Fi password and click on continue. In the file manager section, select the file action as transfer or copy file. Here we need to provide the path where APK will get downloaded. Enter the path as displayed. Here we need to provide the source file URL. Click on this option and select server as external. Enter the mentioned CDN URL from where the MaaS360 APK will get downloaded. Click on OK. Click on continue. In the app manager section, select the application action as installed. And the file path we have to provide the same path where our APK has got downloaded. Enter the path as displayed. Click on continue. In the intent settings, go to action and select enroll a device owner. Here we need to provide the package name and class name. Enter the value as displayed. Enter the class name. Now we need to provide the JSON which will have the enrollment details. Select this option and upload the JSON. I am going to show how the JSON will look like. This is the sample JSON. Here, admin need to update these values with the respected values. Enrollment corp ID, enrollment username, domain, user password, user's email. Remaining value will be same as it is. Create this JSON and upload here. Click on continue. Now our staging profile is almost completed. Click on complete profile. Now staging barcodes has been generated. Select the barcode type and click on test. It will generate a barcode PDF file. Scan this barcode in the factory reset mode. and enroll the device. Once enrollment completes, click on Publish, provide the instructions and click on Publish now. You can see the enroll device detail on MaaS360 portal. Thank you for joining us.